In the age of digital advancement, a silent war rages. The quest for microchip supremacy. Microchips, those tiny tech titans, power everything. Phones, cars, even your smart fridge. The heart of this war? The quest for smaller nanometer sizes. You see, the smaller the nanometer, the more transistors fit on a chip, boosting its power and efficiency. The US, with Silicon Valley giants like Intel and Nvidia, has been a driving force in this competition. Then there's Asia's heavyweights, Taiwan's TSMC and South Korea's Samsung, pushing technological boundaries from 3 nanometer down to an incredible 2 nanometer. Why is this nanometer battle crucial? More than just bragging rights, it means faster processing, less energy, and miniaturization, putting immense power in our pockets. China's also charging ahead, promoting champions like SMIC under its Made in China 2025 vision. This isn't just a race for better gadgets, it's a geopolitical chess game where control over chip tech means global influence. As the world's tech titans jostle, collaborate, and compete, remember, behind that screen, in that minuscule chip, there's a war of monumental scale.